Hey guys, Matt here from Tradie Web Guys, and coming at you today with a case study for a recent plumbing website that we are about to launch. So these guys came to us initially because they're quite a large company and they've got a really good stake in the marketplace. However, their online representation certainly doesn't reflect the caliber of business that they are. Great bunch of guys to be working with, and they just really need to, I suppose, professionally represent themselves better in the online space, just to bring it, keep up with the times, essentially. So as you're about to see, their existing website is kind of letting them down a little bit. It's not the greatest. I'll show you. So I reduce this. So this is their existing website. Pretty standard. Not very attractive, certainly not built for conversions, missing a lot of conversion factors, on the sites here. Pretty ugly in essence. And so we've sort of given it a whole new facelift, and we've built it all out on a lovely WordPress website. And we're going to be working with them on updating some of their photographs. So wanting to send through some nice new photos of jobs they've done and projects they've completed, team members and that kind of thing. And so we're going to be working with them gradually to swap some of the photos on this lovely new website out with some of those. So as you can see already off the bat, it's a much nicer looking above the fold website, which is what you're looking at here. We've got nice clean call to actions, click to call features, opt-in forms, and all of these things are completely interchangeable as well. So we like to test and measure certain things, especially with our marketing clients. And so all of these elements are quite interchangeable and adaptable. So as we scroll down, we'd like to talk a little bit about their story and a little bit about the business. We also like to include in the websites social proof and testimonials and things like that. We love communicating things like values and anything to do with process, because it really does help you stand aside from some of the competition. They don't have a lot of testimonials at the moment, but they're working on it, and so this will be updating the site as we go. But you can see here there's some stock images which we'll be swapping out with some of theirs. So I just spoke with the director and he said they've got loads of photos which is coming our way, which is going to be great. So this will be fantastic. Heading into the service pages. So we can see here we've taken some of the nice copywritten service pages. Again, some of the photos will have to be updated. Pages. Again, photos are coming, so that'll be great when that's updated. Oh, and also, of course, there's forms on each page and calls to actions and lead magnets and all that kind of stuff, so that's really good. The gallery as well. So the gallery is typically something that we like to evolve beyond a typical photo gallery. Like we like to tell a bit of a story with our galleries. This normally is a bit of a work in progress off the back of a website completion, which sort of forms part of a marketing initiative. At the moment, this is a bit of an image gallery, but looking forward, if we do some marketing with these guys, we will be certainly incorporating some of their some more detailed information in relation to their projects, which we can showcase on the website as another conversion tool. Again, they don't have a lot of testimonials, but they're working on it, so that'll be good once they get some more. But all in all, it's a much nicer website, very clean, all modern, all built in WordPress, very easy to update. We manage the whole thing with our care plan as well, so they haven't got to worry about anything like website updates or backups or plugin updates or anything like that. We take care of all that sort of stuff for them. So if you would like anything like this, or if you're interested in having a conversation about your online presence, head across to tradiewebguys.com.au, fill in a form there, and we'll be able to book in a time to have a chat. Thanks, ciao.